Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure internal links with Yoast suggestions, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure internal links using Yoast suggestions, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Posts or Pages section, depending on what you want to edit. Choose the post or page you want to optimize for internal linking. Edit the selected post or page. Scroll down to the Yoast SEO meta box below the content editor. Look for the Link Suggestions section on the right side of the Yoast meta box. Yoast will display a list of suggested internal links based on your content. Review the suggestions carefully to determine which ones are relevant. Click on the suggested link that matches your topic. This will automatically insert the internal link into your content. You can also modify the anchor text if necessary. Make sure the link is contextually appropriate for your readers. Continue adding more internal links as needed by following the same process. Once you finish inserting links, review your post for overall flow and readability. After confirming everything looks good, scroll up to the top of the page. Click on the Update button to save your changes. Your internal linking strategy is now enhanced with Yoast suggestions, improving your website's SEO. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.